Hello, so this is how you are going to structure your sentence in Afrikaans. I wrote them all down. This should be on the drive as well, the picture of this, but I just want to describe it quickly. So in Afrikaans, we call our sentence structure STOMPI because it's S-T-O-M-P-I. So we call it STOMPI. Your S stands for subject. So this is the person or thing doing the action. In Afrikaans, everything revolves around the action, which is verb 1. So this is the action. Verb 1 is the second thing in the sentence, always. This never changes. You only have to find the second thing in the sentence. Just be careful because the first thing in the sentence might not always be one word. So when, and that says it here, not always the second word in the sentence, it's the second thing in the sentence. If there are two verbs, verb 1, this one, is your helping verb. And here are some examples of helping verbs. If there's only one verb in the sentence, this is your main verb and only verb. Then we move to T. T is your time. This is when the action is taking place. So it's got to do with the action again, not with the person doing the action. It's got to do with when the action is happening. Your O in STOMPI stands for object. And the object is the thing the action is being done to. So here are some examples: a ball, a book, die pen. So your object is usually a thing, all right? And then we move on to manner. Manner is how the action is being done. So it describes more about the verb. It gives us more information about the verb. For example, if you say, I run, then your manner would be, I run fast. How do you run? Fast. All right. And then P stands for place. The place is where the action is taking place. So it's where it's happening. Okay? Usually, place will start with a preposition. So, in die swembad, for example, or by die skool. Okay, and then we've got verb 2. If you have two verbs in a sentence, then this verb, verb 2, is your main verb. In past tense, which is what we're doing now, in past tense, this verb gets a ge. For example, if it was skop, then your verb is now geskop. So you have to add a ge. All right. Verb 2 can be your main verb, or it's always a main verb. If there are two verbs in the sentence, verb 1 and verb 2, then verb 2 is going to be your main verb. The I haven't written it down because we're not working with it so much. The I stands for an infinitive. And the infinitive gives us the reason why the action is being done. So again, we go back to the action. So this is STOMPI. These are your basics of STOMPI. You can use this to write in Afrikaans, to figure out how to do other work in Afrikaans. This is very, very useful. If you know this off by heart, you won't struggle with Afrikaans. Yeah, so there we go.